shoot! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Hi everyone! I hope we're focused. Wow, my thing is not done. I am organizing my closet at the moment. This side, this is the only side with my clothes. The other side are folded winter clothes, so we don't care about them. The AC is on. I hope the sound is okay. So I'm gonna take everything out and then reorganize everything. My uniform is usually here. I took it out for the video because, yeah. Okay, so I think my clothes are okay. I feel like my clothes are just enough. However, I could get rid of a few pieces, so after quarantine maybe that will be happening. So now the only thing is left is my belt hanger. I know I can use a proper belt hanger, which honestly I have. This is for scarves and belts, but I feel like I can organize my scarves that way because scarves are not heavy and my belt's like this. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. This hanger is from Home Center, by the way. Because at the bottom all the cloth just gets bunched up and it's not pretty, and maybe try to color code them. Ooh, look at this top. I've not had the chance to wear this yet. It's all transparent. I'm gonna buy a nice pretty something to wear underneath. It's from Zara. My mother got it for me. It's so beautiful, right? I have some denim. Love this. This is a recent shirt I've not been able to wear, guys. Look at this. It has such pretty sleeves. I wore it once in a video, but that's all. Let's see, all my tops I want to put at the bottom. This one I like to wear on my flights because it looks semi-formal, but it's comfy also. This is from Zara as well. Look at this, I bought this to wear at like party situations. Isn't it beautiful? It's like the satin material and the color is gorgeous on the Indian skin tone. It's from Forever 21. I got it for super cheap. Right now I'm not color coding them, I'm just putting them like that. This is a yellow jumpsuit that I got from Forever 21 Seattle. It's so beautiful. I was waiting for a brunch or something to wear this at, but oh well. This is a beautiful kaftan sort of a dress, guys. It's top to bottom. I'm planning to wear it with the buttons open. What I would do to wear these clothes, but I don't want to wear them indoors. It's a chill outfit. I wear this with these pants actually, so I'll just keep it as is because I'm going to put this, this and this in one single hanger. That's my hack to make getting dressed easier and faster. Honestly, this skirt I wear with another t-shirt and this blue top, so I want to club these together. These things I'll put separate. We'll deal with them later. This skirt I wear with a bunch of things, so I do not want to club this, and I want to put it in an individual hanger honestly. So let's see if I can find a loop. There is a loop. This looks ugly. Is this okay? I think this is okay, yeah. This is such a nice jacket. Let's see if there's something in the pockets. I feel it's heavier. People made it look like, oh, these can last you years. So I really wanted to invest in good denim. So this is from Levi's. I think my jeans are from Levi's. I'm very proud to own Levi's. This is in such a sad way, like you don't want to wear it. Why do you want to buy and wear the clothes which we see in the stores? Because it looks so nice, right? So I'm gonna, because I know with this shirt I wear those shorts, so okay, my brother is texting, so at least it looks nicer. It's like, yeah, it's a whole outfit. I can see the shorts from here and from here, so I know it they're there. Yeah, we're gonna do this. Overalls, this is like a dress, so I'm gonna put this at the top. Honestly, I feel like all my tops should be at the top and my dresses should be at the bottom, huh? Because these are folded, nah? Oh shoot, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Anyways, I think the tops are going to look nice and better up top, organized, color coordinated. Oh my god, all my spaghettis are like jumbled up. It's so annoying, yeah. White and black jeans. The white jeans are again from Levi's. I am waiting when these are from Lifestyle. When these go bad, I'm going to buy a black pair from Levi's and then I'm set for life. Or until I gain weight. And if by the time I color coordinate them, the battery is over, I will put that separately. Okay, now we're talking about the dresses. This is a nice, beautiful dress from Marks and Spencer's. It looks very basic right now, but the material is, it's like a plastic material. It's very weird. I love the fabric of this. But I don't know. I try to pin things to this dress, but it's just so boring. So when I can, maybe I'll try to put a belt here or something to make it interesting. I think it's so boring now, doesn't it? Gorgeous dress. Love the color. Loose. Beautiful print. Loose. I can wear it as a shift dress, honestly. I'll try to dress these up. Very excited. I'll make some new outfits with these dresses. Now, since these are too long, what I'm going to do, what they do in stores also, since this is a hosiery material, it doesn't get wrinkled. So what you do, you just tie a loose knot. It's a very loose knot, but now it fits beautifully. Isn't that amazing? This is actually it's a material that is like already wrinkled. So I wore some yellow in Barcelona. I realized that me and my bestie girl here, we realized the importance of yellow for Instagram, and it's such a pretty color. So again, beautiful duster jacket, which can also be used as a dress from Reason. Again, I really need to give them a new life. The last time I wore this, I was flying in and out of Singapore. Beautiful. This I can't really, because it's already wrinkled. I haven't really ironed my clothes until I have to wear them. So this I really need to see where... Okay guys, so now I'm back. The battery is charged and I'm going to show you how I've organized my clothes. I feel like it's color coordinated as much as it can be. Okay, so this is what my closet looks like at the end. Oh, I should have done a before thing, but I'm super excited to dress up now. Okay, so I did whites, then the whites that fade into some color. Okay. We've got some off-whites. I did some pinks or like rose gold color. Then we went into blues. Seems like I have one green, okay. I have a lot of blues. Then we went into dark green and blue, and then the reds, and then the black. Now, these were all my shirts. Then I coordinated it into dresses also. So these dresses from black. So this was my last black shirt. Starting there, I have my black dress, and then we go into color, blue, pinky, nude, and gray. So, you know, it's from white to gray, so neutral, and colors in the middle. I really love that. At the bottom, however, I was like, okay, whatever. So there are colors like yellow, blue, whites, and black. That's how this goes. By the way, I did change up my scarf. So this is how my scarves are now. And then this is how my belts are, and I'm very happy, at least because earlier if I would move the hanger a bit, they would all fall and it's so annoying. So I did make sure to tie them at the end so that they are secure. So I'm very happy with this. I can at least freely use these. This is my camera bag. I keep this at the bottom there, so I still have a little tiny space there. If I move that black dress slightly, I have space there to keep my camera bag. So in the end, I'm super pleased with the way I have organized my clothes. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I am gonna enjoy picking out clothes so much. So I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me and my closet today, from disorganized to organized. I think it's a really nice project to do in this time, because it really took a lot of, it took about 4 hours or so, because I had a snack in the middle, I was watching a show. It was nice, like it was a relaxing time. I really enjoyed this. So I would highly recommend for you to organize your closet, color coordinated. Again, pick out things that you don't want to use. And I feel like maybe I shook the clothes, you know, put them in different hangers around, and my clothes are all puffed up now because my closet looks fuller. I don't know, but I think it's pleasing to my eyes, and I really like this. Very excited to dress up. If not dress up, I'll make a YouTube video about it. You know what? Perks of being a YouTuber. We can wear these clothes and justify them wearing at home in this time. But yeah, I'm very excited. Maybe I'll make up some clothes to wear. You know, I have my lookbook folder on my phone, so I'll probably you know, make new outfit combinations to wear after this time, because of course we've forgotten what it's like to dress up for the outside world. So this is my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I've made other closet related videos which I'll link below and on the screen right now, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, take care.